আসলাম নতুন কন্টেন্ট ক্রিয়েটরের কাছে, জাহাঙ্গীর আলম ভাই আর আমার শ্রদ্ধেয় ভাজন বড় ভাই
Senior spot, Mr. Dr. Mr. Sanor Hussain. He is my very very senior Donno. I love him very much, and he is now content creator. He is a public face, and he is a famous person all over the district, our district. I hope he will be a special content creator in a short time, in near future. I pray him success in his future life. Okay?
থ্যাংক ইউ,
Yeah, sit down please. And
থ্যাংক
take
ইউ,
your
থ্যাংক
take
ইউ।